Miss Fantastic has been back, all set now, ready to race. Race number 7, Pilracom Amethyst 1 stake race. Where they go. Fairy Queen fast to begin, rushing up Lim Expensive Toys. Down on the inside, Miss Elliot, running by Duran Ascendant. Alongside Irene's Fantasy, then comes Daitorius Sun. TV Magic's running down on the inside, Fun Embrace Shiraz. And on the further outside, Traditional Weatherland, Leave No Doubt. While Miss Fantastic is running in 13. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Ascendant leads by 2, followed by Miss Elliot. Lim Expensive Toys racing in 3rd by some 3 lengths, and racing in 4th Fairy Queen running by the Fun Embrace. Alongside is Daitorius Sun on the further outside, Irene's Fantasy. TV Magic down in on the inside, then comes Shiraz. And Traditional 4th last with no doubt 3rd last. Weatherline Miss Fantastic is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600. Ascendant, Miss Elliot, Lim Expensive Toys rushing up. Moves away now, grabbing the lead. Lim Expensive Toys now the leader by some 3 lengths, followed by Miss Elliot. Fairy Queen is racing in 3rd by Happel and Daitorius Sun. As they pass the last 400 and going to the final corner, Lim Expensive Toys is now the leader by some 3 lengths. And on the outside is Fairy Queen. And nearing the last 250, Lim Expensive Toys by some 4 lengths. And down the stretch they come. It's the Lim Expensive Toys proving his worth as the star for this Pilracom Amethyst 1 stake race. Lim Expensive Toys. Second, Traditional, Fairy Queen Shiraz, Leave No Doubt for your Pentavectra.